Each row here in the channel setup represents one channel of data. And I can right click on any cell in a given row and I can pick copy and then highlight some of the other cells and pick paste to copy and paste information from one channel to the other. Here I just turned on all 17 channels in my data acquisition unit. Same thing happens over here in the point ID. I can right click, pick something like copy, and then I can highlight some cells and I can pick Control V and it'll paste. And you can see in this case it found that there are duplicate point names. It doesn't like it, but I copied the same information from one channel to all the others. I can click on this cell, and if I hold my mouse in the lower right corner and then pull down, I have an Excel-like feature where it auto increments the point IDs or whatever cell I had highlighted. So now I've corrected the problem by pulling down using the side there. Now, you might have triaxes, in which case you might have something like X, Y, and Z for the first triax here. And in that case, we would actually have the same point. So I have point 1, X, Y, Z, and this pull down feature where I hover in the right corner and pull down also applies to triaxial information. So now I've just created triax 2, triax 3, triax 4, triax 5, all with the same information. In here you can see all the directions are available. But if I go under Tools, Channel Setup Visibility, and I turn on something called Multi-Channel, this field will allow me to specify a group of channels as a right-hand rule triax. And if I have something like a right-hand rule triax, what this does is it restricts the directions so that they're only valid combinations of right-hand rule. Notice there's no rotations. So on the first channel of the triax here, I picked plus X, and there's no rotational directions. The next part of the triax, the second channel, I only have a limited set of directions. I can't repick X. If I pick something like minus Y, then according to the right-hand rule, the last direction has to be in the minus Z. And that's the case for all of these channels. Whatever directions I pick, it restricts my choices to only valid right-hand rule triax combinations.